Hey guys, today we're gonna be playing Rob the Bank obby. So yeah, what is this map thing? I'm gonna just follow the arrow. Oh, what? This is not a bank. I guess we can play it either way. Okay, sounds I feel like there's more than 108 stages. Because someone is at level 108. I'm already on stage 1, like on the last level. Now I'm on stage 3. Okay, I'm just confused. Okay, I'm gonna just play. Sorry if you don't hear me a lot. I'm gonna just mostly be playing. There you go, level 4. Ah! Died. Oh wow, I almost just walked off the edge. That almost didn't make it. Now I just fell off the edge. I just said suck. I don't appreciate that game. Okay, there you go. Oh! That appeared. That was basically on every single stage I did, but I didn't see it. Wow, I just fell. Okay, jumping on some triangles, and what am I talking about? Okay, I feel like I should not talk for the rest of the video. Why is this jump button something doesn't work? Why do I need to always turn around like 360 degrees? Okay, well, I'm gonna just not talk for the rest of the video from now. I just died. I feel like we can just walk on the edge. Nope. Okay, at least the creator of this map was smart enough. I feel like I can jump to the second one. Yeah, I can jump to the second one. I just don't move in. Someone keeps on walking off this stage. I don't know why. Wait, I just realized you can just jump up. Oh, maybe you can't. I wanna try that again. No, you can't. You have to take the other way. Nope, because I don't have that many Robux. Stop asking me. Why does this need to appear at the weirdest times, may I ask? Okay, can I just jump over here? Perfect. Jump over here and just walk across, or whatever you need to do. Now, this is gonna be hard because sometimes I'll need to go on the edge and go up this way, go over here, go over here, go over here, and end up like right like that. Hide really. Oh no, I hate these. Okay, so it's yellow, green. That's my guess. Now it's yellow, yellow. Okay. I want to see if I can just walk through yellow. No, it's yellow, yellow, green. Okay, so I can just walk through and then jump, and then jump, and then jump. Hey, I just guessed the rest. Awesome. I just followed it like that. Yeah, okay, I thought I would die. Okay, jump, jump. I messed the jump. Jump, 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 jump. Jump, 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 jump. Okay, I'm gonna stop saying jump. Okay. I missed that jump. Also, we're 5 minutes and I'm already on stage 14. That's actually pretty good. Come on, Natalia, keep on press. I can't press the button very well. Jump. Okay. Oh, I was about to say, if this is completely invisible, I'm gonna be angry, but no, just like the last thing. Just the last path. Okay, there I go. Oh, I feel like it's blue. Yeah, I by accident walked on the yellow. So you never know, it's normally red and gray or something like that, but I guess this is a bank thing. I would rather have this show up. Okay, almost there. Okay, just 3 more jumps and I can be at the next level. Wait, wait! I was just there. Come on. Okay, I'm gonna just go like this, then like this, then like this. Okay, like this, like this. How? Santa, you stop doing that, please. Okay, doing that. Let's jump now, walk forward and don't die. That was pretty easy and I almost didn't make that jump. And I died. Okay, there I go, there I go. I can't press the jump button sometimes. Jump. 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 Jump! Okay, that barely made it. Come on. Jump! Okay. Jump. 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 Okay, I feel like you're getting... I can kind of feel that everyone's getting very angry because I'm saying jump, 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 like keep like repeat every single time I jump. So I'm gonna just stop saying jump. Okay, why? I don't think I can do this because I have no idea how. I'm gonna just guess. Okay, green. It's green blue something. Is it green white? No, it's green green. Not this green. This green. No, it's green green. The normal, the green that one. I didn't try this one. Is it just this one? No, okay. Because I was about to say if it's just green green, if people can see. Okay, it's not blue. It's not green green blue. Is it green green white? Or is it green green dark green? Okay, it's green green white and it's green green white something. I think it's green green dark green. Okay, there I go. I almost got that. I didn't want. Okay, I thought I died, but I didn't. This is just right along. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's watch what he does. Okay, he goes blue. Then from yellow. Then white. Okay, then is it yellow again? Okay. No, he died. I don't see him. Did I? Yes. Okay. Is it? What is it? It's actually yellow. Did he just fall off? No, it's just white. Oh yeah, it's blue, then it's yellow. Why can it not just be one color? Yeah, we just made the whole planet. Okay, is it blue? Okay. He probably tried every single one. I'm gonna just go. Come on. Oh, pick a random door, is it? No, I'm gonna go with white. Yellow. Yellow. Okay, then there's switch. Okay, then white. Okay, then yellow. Okay, then white. That was easy. Easy. Okay, don't touch the yellow. Jump, jump, jump. Then I fall off my then zip, zip, jump. There. Okay, I thought this was a speed thing, like I like. I didn't take it. I feel like I really could just jump over. So these bars, but I'm not gonna even dare. How did I die? Okay, I saw myself that time. Okay. Okay, I think after I pass this stage, I think we're gonna wrap. Guys, you know what? Hit the like button because I really feel like I need your help on this one because I have been dying a million times for literally no reason. So hit the like button and hopefully I'll pass it. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hopefully you hit the like button and I'm gonna hopefully make this now. Okay, here I go. Okay, can I make it? If you hit the like button, then this should help. If you haven't, oh, I might die. If you haven't hit the subscribe button, you should really go on doing that right now as well. Oh no, I don't like to wanna buy it. Okay, I think we have enough time for one more, maybe 2 if I'm lucky. Okay, I really hope I don't die. Because I want to get through as many levels as I can. Either I'll do some off camera, either I'll do more on camera. No, there's a jump. Really? Why? Why do you need to make this so difficult? Boy, okay, that wasn't too hard. Okay, I think I can do the next one. Jump. Okay, I'm not gonna say jump. Because I feel like you're getting annoyed at me already. Okay, this person's getting stuck on this level for a reason. Okay, now I see. The walls are super high. Jump. Okay. There's so many! There's like 20 of these. Actually more than 20 if I would count my precious time, but I don't. Well, I landed exactly on a wall. I'm gonna see if I can just jump. No, that doesn't. So far, okay, I'm gonna try one more time. If I die, I'm gonna be sad, but okay, you know, guys, I'm gonna just wrap up the video here. So I hope you enjoyed it. I'm gonna do some off camera, then when I get back on, hopefully I'll be more than halfway done. So I hope you'll have a fantastic day. Goodbye.